Hi friends, this is Ganesh. So in the last class, we have discussed about new entry method. So what happens when an extra person is included or added? So we can tell that the added or a new entry or included is same. So now in this video, I'm going to tell you how we should do the problems on excluded method, right? Now see, the average age of mother and her six children is 12 years. Means what? So adding those six children and including mother, the average age is 12 years, which is reduced by 5 years if the age of mother is excluded. How old mother is? So what is telling? Right, I'll be telling you the question. Let's see. A mother and her six children age is 12 years. Now what is telling? If the mother is excluded, means I'm removing the mother. If the mother is excluded, then the average is reduced by 5. Then the average is reduced by 5. Then he's asking what is the weight of what is the age of my mother. He is asking me what is the age of my mother. Now initially let us do this. So how will be doing this? So initially how many number of people are there? So mother plus 6 children. So initially 7 are there. So what is my average? 12. What is my average? 12. Now coming to here. Now what is telling? The mother is excluded. If mother is excluded, then 7 will become 6. What is telling? The average is reduced by minus 5. What is 12 minus 5? 7. Now he is asking me what is the age of mother. Now see how we'll do. So minus 5 into 7. 7 5 are minus 35. Minus 35 plus 7 is 28. 28. Minus 28. Now can I tell that the mother says is minus 28 years? This is wrong, right? So if you are doing like this now, we'll be not getting the approximate answer, right? So what we will do? So whatever they given, we'll be converting it to the new entry method, that is included method. So we'll be converting the excluded method to included method, right? So what we'll be doing? We'll be converting my included method to excluded method. Now see, you just try to convert you just pause the video and just try to convert the excluded into included. Right. See. So let us try to convert my excluded to included. Excluded method to included method. How I will be converting? You just put concentration here. Just put the concentration here. This is very important. How to convert my excluded case to included cases. Conversion is very important. Now see, what is difference between excluded and included? Excluded means removing. Included means adding. Included means adding. So whatever we are removing in excluded method, the same we have to be added in the included method, right? So what are the things we are going to exclude in the what are the things we are going to remove in the excluded method? The same thing should be added in the included method, right? Now see, coming to included method, how many number of people are there? Initially 6 children are there. What is their average? Now tell me, how can you tell that the average of what can you tell that the average is 6? The average of these 6 children is 12 or not? 12 or not? No, see, the average is 12. Now, who is included? Mother is included. So, if mother is included, here, if mother is excluded, the average reduces by 5 years. If mother is included, the average increases by 5 years. So, 12 plus 5 is 17. So then new average is 17. Now, what is my mother says? 5 into 6, 30. So, 47 years. So, the age of mother is 47 years, right? So what initially what should we do? The things which are going to be removed in the excluded method, the same thing should be added in the included method. So that is the thing we are going to do here, right? If you haven't understood, you just put it in the comment box. I'll try to get this, or else you just rewind the video, definitely you will get this, right? So here what I did is very important. So how I converted to excluded to included is very important, right? If you once get this, if you want getting how to convert the excluded to included method, then the entire problem will be getting easy, right? So you just pause the video and write this. So this is the next question of excluded method. See this question is very important. because one more concept is hidden in this. Now let me try to get the question first. Average height of 8 boys is 159 centimeters. If a boy is excluded, then the average decreases by 2 centimeters. Find the height of boy excluded. So what is telling? So there are initial how many boys? There are 8 boys in a class. The average height of 8 boys is 115 centimeters. Now one boy is, we are going to remove one boy from the 8 boys. So how many boys now? 7 boys are there. So if I remove that eighth boy, my average is decreased by 2 centimeters. Now he is asking me what is the height of the excluded person. Now initially let me do this. How many number of people are there? 8 people are there. What is my average? 159. Now see, I am excluding one person. What is my number of people? 7 number of people. My average decrease by -2. What is 115 minus 2? 157. What is 159 minus 2? 157. Now you just do 8 into -2 -16, right? But we will be not doing this. We will be not having a case for excluded method. We will be not having any method for. We will be not having any shortcut for excluded method. Whatever we are going to find in excluded method, you just convert it into included method, right? So how will be converting this included method? See, initially how many number of boys are there? 7 number of boys are there, because here 7 excluded 7, so included 7. Initially 7 number of boys are there. What is their average height? 159 is the average height. Now one boy is included, then the number increases to 8. Now what? Here, if boy is excluded, the average decreases by 2 centimeters. So here inclusion, you just add +2. Here you are doing -2 now. So this is excluded method, but we are converting this to included method now. So whenever you will be getting minus in excluded method, you just put plus in the included method. Whenever you will be getting +2 in the excluded method, you just put -2 in the included method, right? So what is 159 plus 2? 161. Now he is asking me what is the height of the student included. Now 161. 7 into 2, 14. 14. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 1 plus 6 is 7. 175. So the weight of the height of the student excluded is 175 centimeters. So here same. The weight. So here the height of included student is 175 centimeters is equal to the height of the student who is excluded, right? Hope you got this, right? If you haven't understand, you just rewind the video and just try to understand my communication. Not in this representation. You just try to understand my communication, what I am going to tell, right? So here the height of the student included is equal to the height of the student excluded, right? That is the representation, right? With this I will be ending the excluded method. So in the coming videos we will be going to discuss the replacement method, right? You just try to get the questions from Google, or you just try to get the questions from R.S. Agarwal book. This is very important because you have to do practice, because I will be telling only 2 to 3 sums, because we will be not having much more time to describe all these things, because initially I should focus on my studies, right? So to get the aptitude to you, I am doing all these things, right? So that I will be not telling all the sums which are in averages, right? I'll be just telling you the shortcuts, then you have to work on it, right? Thank you. If you think it is useful, you just try to share to your friends. Please subscribe my channel.